how to reset Fiverr password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your password on Fiverr.com? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to Fiverr.com and then go to your profile icon in the top right. Now head over to account settings and there tap on account security. And here you can see there is option to set new password. You need to confirm your password and then just hit save changes. Make sure that your password is 8 characters or longer and combine upper and lowercase letters and numbers. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.